If you're using a CRM to manage your real estate business, great job. Research has shown that using a CRM can improve conversion rates by as much as 300% while cutting marketing costs by a quarter. Basically, the CRM is just a database full of people. So beyond storing and managing information, what are some ways it can be used to generate new business? Glad you asked. In the real estate game, referrals are as important as anything else. The best way to earn a referral is through extraordinary customer service. Using a CRM during the listing and transaction process provides a very smooth customer experience. You are able to meet their needs efficiently and provide any and all information in short order. CRMs are also a great way to find sellers. Many times when an owner decides to sell, they rely on personal recommendations or past dealings to determine who they call. Your CRM can help you to identify potential sellers before they even know what to sell. CRMs are also the perfect way to consistently stay in touch and top of mind with current and past clients. Using your CRM to put them into a drip campaign with a monthly newsletter will help you stay top of mind to your database when they may be ready to sell or buy. Your CRM is more than a contact database. Let it help you generate more leads and more business.